This is Karen with the Kine Garden Stuff, doing the weekly check of the Hungry Bin, which contains red wigglers. Let's take this off here. Let's see how many gnats might come out here. Let's see. Not too bad. I guess it's about the same as before. Okay, let me put on my gloves and I'll be right back. Alright, here we are back again. Let's check this up. See how they're doing here. There's worms on the outside of this, but obviously they're still working on it. Worms and mites. Lots of worms on the inside. But obviously still working on it. Still working on those banana peels. So I think I'll just ruffle this up. There's lots of worms right there if you can see it. Happy doing their work. Alright. So, since they still have lots of banana peels to go through, I'm not going to feed them anymore. I will put some more bedding on top, moist bedding. They will go through that pretty quick. So this will be a very quick check on the worms. There's no foul smell coming from here. But as you can see, they're doing well. So, let me put these back. Alright, I'll be back. I'm going to be putting some ground eggshell and some coffee grounds, and on top of that I'll bring it back before I put on the final moist bedding. Alright, here we go with I put the eggshells, ground eggshells and coffee grounds in on top. Next I'm going to put moist bedding. If I can get it with one hand, it's a lot and heavy. There we go. You just put it out there. Right, as you can see, the level of the bin is pretty full. I'll probably be doing a, probably be doing a harvest next week. since that'll be 2 months since I did the last harvest. And there we go. So, okay. So there's the hungry bin ready to go for another week. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.